How fast and to what extent the skin ages depends on the amount of free radical damage we experience. Constant exposure to UV rays from the sun penetrate the skin, depleting our antioxidants. UV rays also cause collagen and elastin fibers to break down. Another sign of aging is the appearance of age spots. This is caused when proteins and lipids are oxidized. Besides preventing free radical damage to our skin, anthocyanins have the tendency to enhance the ability of the body to strengthen collagen fibers. Research performed at the Ohio State University Medical Center reported OPTIVIN produced certain healthy skin effects that were not shared by any other antioxidants tested, including vitamin E or grape seed extract. Over 85% of all urinary tract infection, UTI, or bladder infection, is caused by the bacteria called E. coli. And cysts have been found to be the most common manifestation of UTI, especially in women. Studies have shown that anthocyanin may prevent E. coli bacteria from attaching to the urinary tract. When bacteria can't hold on to a cell long enough to duplicate, urine flushes it out of the urinary tract. The use of anthocyanin also helps to reduce our dependency on antibiotics, which will prevent bacteria from being antibiotic resistant. In World War II, British Air Force pilots who went on nighttime bombing missions reported that their sight was improved after eating bilberry jam. Today, bilberry extracts are now part of conventional medical treatment in Europe, treating many eye disorders such as cataracts, macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and night blindness. In Japan and Korea, bilberry's popularity is used to relieve eye strain caused by excessive computer use. CNN reported recently that cancer needs a growing network of blood vessels to survive. Tumors are known to secrete some growth factor that attracts new blood vessels that nourish it and allow it to grow. Shutting down this process, called angiogenesis, should arrest tumors or even destroy them. There are some normal cells that secrete angiogenic inhibitors all the time. Shown here in yellow, the inhibitors are part of the body's natural defense against disease. They keep our blood vessels quiet. When free radicals attack DNA in normal cells and mutate them into cancer cells, two things happen. First, they start producing blood vessel stimulators, the blue molecules. At the same time, they drastically reduce the inhibitors they were previously making. It is a delicate balance of chemicals in which the stimulator must overwhelm the inhibitor before blood vessels can emerge. A marble-sized tumor can release about 1 million cancer cells a day. It can enter the bloodstream and travel to other places, from the breast to the lung, or the colon to the liver, and grow again. This process is called metastases. The human body has many cancer cells that travel to new locations and remain dormant. They don't attract new blood vessels. Sometimes when a primary tumor is removed through surgery, the metastases suddenly comes to life. New blood vessels appear and the metastases grows rapidly. Scientists have determined that the primary tumor itself produces a small amount of inhibitors, the yellow substance. It's not enough to overwhelm the abundant blue stimulator, but the inhibitor is very stable. It can survive the long journey through the bloodstream to the distance of the much smaller tumor preventing them from attracting new blood vessels. When the primary tumor is removed, the source of the inhibitor is also taken away. Now the tumor is able to call in their blood supply and grow. Researchers at Ohio State University Medical Center, Creighton University Medical Center in the US, and University of Kuopio, Finland, have shown that OPTIVIN significantly inhibits angiogenesis, thus offering potential benefit in the treatment of cancer and inflammation. OPTIVIN has been tested on hemangioma, the most common of infancy tumors that occur in 1 out of 100 newborns. Hemangiomas are highly angiogenic, and it is a powerful model to study angiogenesis in the body. Approximately half of the world's population is infected with Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, a bacteria which produces free radicals. The WHO has declared H. pylori as a carcinogen, causing infected people to contract gastritis, stomach ulcers, colon and gastric cancer. OPTIVIN's ability to inhibit the growth of H. pylori has been evaluated and backed by the first published study of various berry extracts against this pathogen. Our body is incapable of handling the damages of free radical attack of everyday life without help. It is estimated that each of the 60 trillion cells in the human body take 10,000 oxidative hits per second. One cigarette is said to unleash 3 trillion free radicals into the bloodstream. That's why we need to always have an abundant supply of antioxidants in our body. OPTIVIN provides you with an optimal intake of antioxidant nutrients and is one of the most potent first line of defense you can have to neutralize and eliminate the harmful effects of free radicals. Developed using the latest research available and backed with extensive scientific research, OPTIVIN is safe, effective, and relevant for coping with the stresses of modern lifestyle. Add color to your health. OPTIVIN.